Good afternoon, everybody. This is AJ's Toy Barn, and today is Sunday. We just went out to the store, and you can see here in the background we've got some Halloween decorations because it's middle of September and we're getting ready for Halloween. So AJ, what did we get at the store? What is this guy?
Chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar. And what's this one here? What's this one? The Grossery Gang 10-pack.
The Grossery Gang 10-pack.
All right, we're going to open this one first. This is the crusty chocolate bar with 2 groceries inside. It looks just like a chocolate bar. These have been out for a little while, but AJ loves these. So go ahead, AJ. Open them up on the camera. Can you try to do it? There you go.
Then here's the card there, and you see it has all the cards on it, and it has all the grocery games on it.
Yeah, show the camera. Look at that. Look at that. All of it. It's their checklist. It's like a shopping list because they're from the grocery store. All right, look. There's 2 different types of chocolate bars. Show it in front of the camera. Show it in front of the camera. There you go. Over here. All right. And it says Grocery Gang. Look at the detail on that with the little fly right here. And it's a caramel bar because there's a caramel and a chocolate one. Okay, so let's get close. Go ahead and open it up in front of the camera. In front of the camera.
Like that?
Yeah, up higher. Here, let's do it this way. In front of the camera, Bella.
And here's the 2 packs. Here are the 2 packs.
You got to put it in front.
There's one of them.
There. Oh, good. We're just learning how to do this. So
that's one,
that's
and
one.
this is the other one.
That's right. And they're in mystery bags. So we're going to open those mystery bags up, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And these are the mystery ones. Open.
All right. He wants me to open it so that we can see. So see how we have it in front of the camera? It's squishy because they're all squishy. Let's see what this one is. Oh, what is that one? It looks like a, let's put it on camera, Bubba. All right, it's a chip. Oh, it's the same chip that's in the background. So we have doubles. Look, it's the same chip as that guy right there.
Yeah, that means, okay. That's one of ours. So first Lushy, and here's the next Lushy we're going to open.
The next one we're going to open is this one. It's a mystery pack. Look at those guys.
It's a different color of them.
Oh, we don't have those, so let's put that in front. Those are called, what's that one called? Snot and Pepper.
Oh, we have another one of those, but that's a different color of them.
Yeah.
That's our second Grocery Game, and that will be on one. And here's the next Grocery Game pack we always have.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the next.
All right.
This is very big, so this one will be very hard.
Okay, this one will be really hard. So let's put it in front of here, like this. So let's look at the bag first for folks who haven't seen it. So this is the, right here, Grocery Gang from the World of the Trash Pack. Inside, there's a special sticky sweet. And this is a Grocery Gang, your shopping's gone rotten. There's 10 inside, and there's 150 to collect total. And this is the Corny Chips bag. So as you can see, there's 8 of them out here that you can see, and then 2 mystery ones in these milk cartons. And one of these is a sticky sweet. Red Hot Chili's Stinky Cheese bag. And then back on the back, it has a lot of cool detail all around the side. And back here it shows you all, well, a good portion of the characters. So, all right, here we go, AJ. I'm going to open this, and then you start pulling it. There you go. Pull that apart. Pull it. There you go. Good. Good job. All right, pull that out.
This is the whole Grocery Game pack, and this is all of it. And this is how it looks like, and that's what it is.
Good job. Good displaying. All right, and then there's the little list in the back.
And that's the list, and here we go in opening it. It has yellow tape on it, and it's very compressing. It's very hard to open.
Really hard to open.
Good.
Yeah, let's come over here. Put it in front of the camera, right here. Okay, reach your arms through. Reach your arms through. There you go. Both hands, both hands, both hands. There you go. That's how you do it. All right. I'll spread it open there. There they come. All right. Oh, there's our first one. You want to show that?
Wow.
Show that to the camera. Who's that? That's Daddy's favorite. There it is.
Bad soy.
Bad soy. Here you go. Like this.
Wow, he's kind of looks better than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks even better than the other one. That's the next grocery game. Bad soy. Daddy very likes bad soy, and that's good if Daddy likes that bad soy.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the next one we have is Awful Waffle.
Oh, good job naming it. Mm-hmm.
That's his name.
Awful Waffle, right about there. Look at that.
That's Awful Waffle, and that's our next grocery game for the day.
Mm-hmm. Good
And
job.
now, here's all the next one we have today. It's ketchup.
Ooh, the ketchup bottle. That one is cool. That one is neat.
And you can see the topping of it. And that's where he looks like, and that's where he looks like on the back of it. And he has kind of green stuff. And that's how he looks like.
Good job.
And
Good job.
that's how he looks like on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And that's our next grocery game for today.
Okay, what else do you got in there?
Now we have pie. A pie of the day.
Oh, it's a tart. It's called Tasteless Tart.
And this guy's tasteless toy, and he's a pie,
Mm-hmm.
and he's a grocery game, and here's the next grocery game for today.
Mm-hmm.
That's our next grocery game.
That's right.
Yeah, move it for everybody to see.
For everybody in the internet to see. All right, what else do we got?
Okay,
Good job. Keep going. What else we?
the next guy has
The soap.
we have soap, and this is a bath time. That's soapy.
Mm-hmm.
He's soap.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Oh, there he is.
That's his name.
His name is Soap. 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 Soap.
From the other side.
Other side. Here we go. His name is Grody.